Today we are going to put together a potty. Hopefully this is not going to be something difficult or I need tools for. We got a book to go with the potty. We bought a little book for the girl. Here you go. A book for you to keep you through. Here's what we got. I'm sure you've seen them in Walmart. They make flushing noises. Our car's driving by. I didn't know it was going to come in like the actual box because usually whenever you order things from Amazon, it usually comes in like a generic box. But
like
this,
that box?
Yeah, like the brown box I pulled this out of. Okay, here it is. Can you see it? It's the summer infant potty. My size potty. Let's open this and hope that it stays quiet for at least a few minutes because I don't know if this has to be put together or what it looks like on the inside of this box. Yep, some requirements are you gotta be able to put it together, so let's see if I can do it. Do we want to see what's on the back? The back of the toilet. I'm guessing. I don't know. The potty area where they use the bathroom, and the instructions fill out. The tray that removes for you to empty it. You have a boy. The little cup thing that goes on the front of the potty. This is I think the top of it that holds wipes.
I see Jasper come crashing in front of the door. He's fighting with his head.
I'm going to have to take this inside because this requires a screwdriver.
Screwdriver. Vodka and orange juice.
Okay, I had to move inside because there are tools required for this. And because I have a little girl, I'm just going to use this as like storage. This is like the toilet tank. You know, like the back part of the toilet. We're gonna wreck the toilet, yay! And it says that it needs batteries, but this thing already flushes. Does it need batteries or is it good? Alright, what's the first instruction?
Just attach this to the lid with the provided screws.
And this toilet says it's for 18 months and up to 50 pounds.
So that means you can't use it.
Darn it. I would probably fill this little thing. Good thing it's for babies. Should I show how the boy part goes? The boy part just kind of, it has this, I don't know, can you see it? It has this little indicator. yeah, the toilet lid comes off. So awesome. It has this little part right here, and then this has these little slipping parts. So you kind of, from what I see, you just kind of push it on, and then it's for your boys to not make a mess. And then you can wiggle it off, and then you got a toilet for a girl. For a girl. But because I have a little girl, I'm gonna put this in here.
Keep that part for when I.
And then you just pop this back on.
Alright, but you see it just took 2 screws to
Anyway.
screw this into place, and then the batteries go there, but it apparently came with batteries. So there's your lid.
With your flusher.
Put the wipes in there. Alright, then the next part is flip this to the bigger screwdriver. Take this big screw out. Yeah. Slide this on like so. And then you just put the screwdriver back in.
The screw back in.
Or yeah, the screw with the screw. Well, you got to put the screwdriver in too. to get
Right.
screwed
Here, I could show you what we're back here doing. We'll take you off the old tripod.
in. It's in there. So.
See the screw down in there? That's what we're looking at.
And
And here
the way I see
is
it.
your directions.
it's just that simple.
And then this piece should just kind of, let me get out my light here. Kind of pop on, I would think.
Yeah, that just sits right there, and then voila, you got
A toilet!
and you can even store some stuff in here.
Like books or something. But I'm using it for storage for the boy part because we don't have a little baby boy anymore. He's a big boy now.
There you go. There's a little
potty, and it looks just like a big potty.
for a little person.
Here's your directions. So simple. You can put it together in no time. There's what it comes with. And it says that you need batteries, but like I said, I got the batteries, but apparently we didn't need them. So there's the information I was reading for you. 18 months, 50 pounds. Little potty. We got her this book, hoping that it motivates her to use the toilet. As I always say, like, subscribe, all that good stuff. Show me some love. Thanks for being a follower. And I will catch you later.